Steady line, here it comes.
I missed it.
Over here.
Where is it?
Come on, Lion.
Now, ready?
Ready.
Now, watch how far I can kick it.
Oh, it's coming my way. I've got it. Oh, watch how far I can throw it.
I'll catch it. I'll catch it.
Dragon, watch out. Watch out.
Feeling any better, Dragon?
I'm freezing.
Come on, you two. Rub harder.
It's
I
not
still feel
working,
freezing.
Tortoise. We've been drying him for ages. I give up. Oh,
Me too. I'm tired.
Dragon, what if we find a nice warm rock for you to lie on?
Yeah, yes, that might help a bit, yes.
Feeling any warmer, Dragon?
A little warmer, thank you, Tortoise.
oh good.
Uh-oh.
Watch out.
He's going to sneeze.
A chew to you too.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, dear. I think you've caught a cold, Dragon.
Oh,
Pink leaves. How did that happen?
Dragon sneezed on it with his magic breath.
I don't feel very well at all. In fact, I feel very unwell.
Poor dragon.
Poor Dragon.
You'll feel better soon, Dragon.
Run!
Watch out! Quick, Lion!
A chew to you too.
Yuck! Phew, he missed me.
What is it? What's wrong?
You've got
What? Hair! Hair?
purple hair!
Dragon! What have you done?
I'm sorry, I couldn't help it.
We'll have to stop you sneezing before I'm hairy all over. Panda, this is serious.
Nothing is serious when you've got hair like that. Yuck! Am I all right?
I think so.
Am I all right? What's so funny?
Your tail, it's
Flaring.
Oh, dragon, this is not funny.
no, it's very pretty.
Panda, you can stop Dragon sneezing next time. Hold his nose and mouth closed.
Oh, yuck! I'm not.
No, I didn't think you'd be brave enough. Who knows what his next sneeze will do? But you're just too scared to stop it.
Panda, stop him now.
Oh, I think it worked.
Thank you, Panda.
What's he done to me?
Your ears.
Dragon, you've given me.
Elephant's ears.
I'm sorry, but you stood too close to my nose, Panda.
Tortoise made me. Stop! This is not funny.
But you think my tail's funny?
And my hair's funny.
That is different. It's on you, not on me. Now what am I going to do? I can't go around like
I'm
this.
completely exhausted from all the sneezing.
Go home to bed. Keep your sneezes to yourself.
Elephant's ears. I mean, Panda. Go get some blankets for Dragon.
Don't call me that.
There you are.
Hey, Lion. Let's sneak out.
Come on, you two. We have to cover Dragon up. Keep
Yeah.
him warm.
Oh, thanks for all your help.
We haven't sneezed for a long time, Dragon. Are you feeling any better?
A little bit better.
Hey, where are you two going?
Home.
How come?
Dragon's asleep.
And it's really, really late.
We have to stay all night and look after Dragon.
I'm busy.
Me too.
Doing what? You love staying in Dragon's cave.
Yeah, I'm scared to go near Dragon. If he sneezes again, I might grow more flowers.
Panda?
I'm scared I might grow more elephant ears.
But if we make Dragon better, he can make us better.
Huh? Fix my silly flowering tail?
Get rid of these ugly flapping big ears. But Tortoise should keep that purple hair. It suits her, just like your flower, Lion.
Better than flapping big ears.
Don't call me big ears, flower tail.
Lion, Panda, now is not the time to fight.
But
we have to take care of Dragon.
No, Dragon.
What if we snuggle up close to him? That'll warm him up.
Good idea, Lion. That's it. Now, Panda, you lie on the other side. Panda!
Well, he might sneeze again.
Go on.
Oh, right. I know. He can make us better then.
Good.
I know.
I'll stay awake and watch over Dragon first. Panda! Wake up, Panda!
What is it?
Your turn to keep watch over Dragon.
Is he any better?
I think so.
Lion, it's your turn to watch over Dragon.
What is it? Is he any better?
A little bit.
Dragon, feeling better?
I feel wonderful. Oh, I had such a warm, peaceful sleep.
Lucky you, I certainly didn't.
No more sneezes?
I'm all sneezed out. Keeping me warm worked wonderfully.
Good, I'm glad my cure worked.
What a gloriously beautiful morning. Panda, Tortoise, Lion. Come on, sleepyheads. Let's play that ball game again. That will get my strength back.
Dragon, please don't take a dive in the stream again.
Absolutely, definitely not. Throw me the ball. Is everyone all right?
Oh, what's he done this time?
Blown your purple hair away.
Oh, yeah. And look, Lion.
That sneeze changed your tail back.
Yeah. Oh, and I've got just panda ears again. Yay.
That really was the last sneeze.
Hey, where's the ball?
Yeah. Where's my ball? My ball!